We just finished looking at gridview and how we can use gridview to view the data from our database. We also, in gridview, looked at how we could update and delete. We're going to take a look at our data from a different perspective, from a details view. So I'm going to go up here and add a new item. Visual Basic, web form, code in a separate file, and I'm going to call this detailsview.aspx. Add. Switch to design view. I need to add a data access source. Again, I'm choosing the table state facts. I'm doing a star, so select star from state facts. Test the query. It looks like it's working. Now I'm going to stick in something called a details view. Choose the data source. I'm going to point it to the data source I just configured for this page. Here I can see those database column names over here, and I can go in just like in grid view. I can edit the fields. No need for anyone to see state ID, so I can remove that and clean up the naming. Again, I can auto format this if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait and do this with CSS. And I can enable paging. I can also drag this a little wider. And let's view it in the browser. Now here you can really see paging at work. So I get a little different look for one record in the database. This is still not incredibly useful to us. All we can do is view the data. So let's go back into our data source. The advanced button. Insert, update, and delete statements. When we make that change in the data source, then we get some new options down here. When we view it in the browser, we can see we have new options now. If I were to choose to, I can go through and choose all the items using paging. When I find the one that I want to edit, I can edit it. When I find, let's see, I'll edit it back. If I would like to delete one, I can delete, and then it's now gone. Notice we went from 9 to 8. And when I choose new, I get an error. There is a bug using Visual Web Developer and Access when you are doing inserts into the database. So what I need to do is come back to the grid view and get into the source. If I scroll up here to my Access data source, I can see I have the delete command, the insert command, the select command, and the update command. Insert command is the one that's given me problems. Insert into state facts. It's trying to insert that auto-numbered field So I need to just delete that. It's also inserting values that it's picking up from down here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but my values I should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because one of these values is for that auto inserted state ID. So I'm just going to delete one of those. And then when I come down here to the insert parameters, I can see state ID. It's trying to insert one of those auto numbered. I'm just going to get rid of that. Save this. View in the browser. And now it works correctly. There's Mississippi, the one I just added. I can delete it. So we have everything working correctly. So Details View has that one little hiccup when working with Access that you need to clean up. It does not have any problem at all working with SQL. It works just fine with SQL. It's just when you're dealing with Access. That's pretty much describes the details view and the grid view. In the next video, we're going to take a look at how we bring the two of them together to make a master details page.